I'm Dr. Jamara Welch, founder of the Supermodel Society, where we seek to influence, educate, and inspire. And you're watching Model Talk, where we talk business, life, and style. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm so happy that you're joining me for part 2 of a 2-part DIY spa treatment series. If you recall, in the last episode, I did the sugar scrub as well as the bath salts. Well, for this episode, I'm doing the whipped body butter. And as a reminder, the scent that I was going for is the spiced lemon pound cake. With that, let's get started. Okay, so here I have my Shea Butter, unrefined Shea Butter. I ordered it on Amazon. And what I did is I just took it out of the package and I basically just broke it apart, put it in a bowl and started blending. I know some people like to melt down their shea butter first and then freeze it, just to like chill it back up when they start whipping. You don't need to do all that. Just break it apart, put it directly in the bowl and start whipping. And as you can see, you get a really great consistency. So again, you don't need to melt it down first. All you need to do is break it apart, put it in your bowl, and just start blending away. So here in the next scene, I have here some vegetable glycerin. I used this in my last video, so basically I had about a half a bottle left over. So I'm about to pour the remaining amount of my vegetable glycerin here in my shea butter. And after that, I'm going to start whipping it up again, as you see what I'm doing here with my hand mixer. So just as a heads up, basically with every single ingredient you put in, you put the ingredient in and then you start to whip it up with your hand mixer. And see, it's really, really fluffy and billowy. Okay, so here I have some organic coconut oil, and I'm putting in about 3/4 of a cup of the coconut oil in here. So you see me here just scooping it out, and of course, just like before, I'm going to start blending as well with my hand mixer. And as you can see, again, it's really easy. It's going very well. You have a nice creamy, fluffy consistency, which is really what you want. All right, so here I have my Derma E Vitamin E Skin Oil, 1400 IU. Sorry, it's still a little blurry. But anyways, I poured in about a tablespoon of my Vitamin E oil. And here it is. I'm blending it as well. It's starting to look like cake batter here. So again, I'm just blending it in really, really good. And now in the next scene, I have here about 1/4 of a cup of almond oil that I'm putting in. I'm using the Now brand. So again, 1/4 a cup of the almond oil. And again, just like before, I'm going to start blending with my hand mixer. Again, with every single new ingredient you put the ingredient in and then you start to blend. And so here I have some rose hip seed oil. I'm going to put in about 1.5 teaspoons of the rose hip oil. And of course, like before, I will start blending, which you see me doing right here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting my essential oils in. So here you see I have the sweet lime essential oil, all of the same essential oils I used before, the ginger, the clove, the cinnamon, of course, lemon. I'm going to put all that in here. Here I am about to pour in the vanilla extract. I'm not measuring it. I'm just pouring. I'm just eyeballing it. Next, I'm also putting in about 1 teaspoon of arrowroot. The reason why I'm putting in arrowroot is because sometimes, well, shea butter can have kind of a greasy or oily feel, and so I put in the arrowroot just to kind of cut down on that. And here, last thing I'm doing is I'm pouring in my mixture into my makeshift piping bag, which really is just a standard gallon Ziploc bag. I just poured it in there, put that in the container. I'll cut a hole in and pour it in. Folks, so now we're done. I'm ready to gift these items away. Got my sugar scrub, got the bath sauce and the whipped body butter, and now I'm ready to go and deliver it. As I mentioned before, the person I had in mind loves to bake. That person is my sister. And we're gonna be giving this to her because it's her birthday. She is 29 for the 7th year in a row. Yes, count it up. All right, so let's take this over to her place, see if she likes it. I hope that she likes it. I really hope that she does. I think she will, but let's find out. Okay, everybody, as I said, I was coming over to my sister's place to give her early birthday present. Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. So as I said before, my sister is 29 for the 7th year in a row. And yeah, for the 7th year in a row. And
29, always.
Okay, at any rate. Her birthday's not today, but it's just in a few days. So well, you guys already know what's up. Let's see what she says. Let's see what kind of reaction she has.
What is this, like your ancient type gift?
Don't you think it's pretty?
It's wonderful. Is this a dad gift?
Don't you think it's beautiful? Do
Jamar.
you like the zhuzh?
It's very zhuzhed.
Good.
Is something gonna jump out at me?
Just open the
prepared.
gift. Just open it.
Oh,
Isn't it pretty?
nice.
Isn't it beautiful?
Rocks. There's rocks in here.
No, there's not.
I know you. I know it.
There's not
There's
rocks.
rocks in here.
Like, okay, so those people that know me know I have jokes like all the time, but
But
I'm
our
serious.
father had jokes.
I'm serious right
You
now.
would paint a rock.
I'm serious
And
right
give me a
now.
rock
Like
for my
no
birthday.
joke. All jokes aside, seriously.
I know it's a rock. Just tell me it's a rock.
Just open the
It's
dang
heavy.
gift.
It's a rock.
Open it. Open it.
Oh my gosh.
Boom.
What is this?
Smell it. Oh, you gotta open it.
It's lemony citrus.
Yes, those are bath salts. So I made them. It's called spiced lemon pound cake.
It smells like a spiced lemon pound cake.
Remember the other day I was asking you ginger vanilla cookies or spiced vanilla pound cake? What would you prefer?
Yeah. Ooh, what is this?
Smell it.
I can't. Is it like brown sugar?
Yes, but what does it smell like? It's a sugar scrub.
It smells like brown sugar and ginger ale.
Brown sugar.
Yeah.
Well, it's supposed to be my spiced lemon pound cake sugar scrub, but not ginger ale. But there is ginger in it, so it's interesting that you smell the ginger. You did say ginger ale.
Ginger.
Do you like it though?
I love it, Jamar.
Even though it smells like
so
ginger.
sweet.
Even though it smells like ginger ale.
Yeah, I like ginger ale.
It's
Healthy
not
for you.
It's not supposed to smell like ginger ale. It's spiced lemon pound cake.
What is this?
Okay, so that is the spiced lemon pound cake whipped body butter.
Oh my god. You made this?
I made all of this. Everything is handcrafted. Camille Leros.
Ooh. I feel like a pastry right now.
I want you to feel like a
Going
pastry.
into a warm 350-degree oven. Putting on bake for about 15 minutes till I'm golden brown.
Yes.
I'm already golden brown, but
I told people.
I feel buttery.
I told my viewers that you like to bake, and so my hope was that you would think, you know, baking and cookies and lemon and spice.
Like I want to
You really
use
like
this
it?
to make a cake out of. Like this looks like whipped eggs, sugar, vanilla, flour, baking soda, and baking powder with cream.
Well, thank you.
And Kahlua, because I put alcohol in everything.
Yes, you do. She likes happy food.
Happy food. This makes me happy. Did you put alcohol in this?
No, there's no alcohol.
Alcohol is an astringent and it's
There is no
makes
alcohol.
things sterile.
There is no alcohol in it.
There isn't?
No. But you do like it?
I love this. Thank you.
You're welcome. So the base of my whipped body butter is Shea Butter.
Okay, I use that on my face.
Yeah, so there's Shea Butter in there. There's vegetable glycerin. There's different essential oils in there. I have some rosehip oil for anti-aging benefits.
Oh my God, this smells like...
It smells like spiced lemons, huh?
It does.
Yeah.
Like you've captured this.
And isn't it just happiness, like the yellow?
It's like a happy, earthy, I don't know what.
It's just joyful.
It's just great.
It's just joyful.
It's okay.
But you have that little wooden spoon to scoop it out. What I want you to do,
eat this.
I want you to
I
rub it
know I
on your
can't.
skin and then go, like rub it on
Mm-hmm.
and then go rinse.
Ooh, I'm making a mess.
Yeah, you are.
Am I going to be extra soft?
You are.
Like feathers.
You are. You're going to be super soft.
I like that.
Okay, so like go rinse. Okay, so how does your skin feel?
My skin feels like a whisper.
A whisper?
The softest whisper.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know how you can portray that in a feeling, but that's what it feels like.
So that was my
Wow.
nephew. How does it smell? Do you smell like a
it
baked
takes
good?
me away. I smell like lemon pound cake right now.
So now you smell it. So at first you just smelled ginger ale.
Yeah. Now that I've rubbed it in, I smell like lemon pound cake, like a lemon chiffon cake.
Lemon chiffon cake.
You've made lemon chiffon cake in a scrub.
Okay. So she likes it, people.
I love it.
She likes it. I'm happy. Okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
What is this?
I love you.
I love you too.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Well, there you have it. It was a success. She loved it. I'm excited. She's excited. I'm looking forward to doing this again. Now, the sugar scrub, yeah, she said it smelled like ginger ale, but it's all good. After she rubbed it in and then she rinsed off her hands and she went to smelling it, she was like, oh, I smell the lemons and the spice. So it all worked out. Anyways, I don't know if I told you all this, but this was my first time creating any type of DIY spa treatment. So the type of success that I had, I'm wanting to do more of these things. To that, if you have some recommendations on some other sugar scrubs I should try or other bath salts or whipped body butters, please in the comment area, let me know and I will see about trying them out. With that, if you like what you saw, please give it a thumbs up, make a comment, subscribe. With that, God's blessings to you and shalom. See you next time.